Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Ada orang bab yak le, absua, hantu cek, sahaja, absua cek baik, hantu insale biang, absua, hantu insale, apek, pusi, apek seri ikhlas, ketua, yo, absua insai, tu. Yes.
Kirang ikura jong ke Team Revolution Mixed Martial Arts kilayo ban khur ya kitak maksiar hak jinga khun Combat Sports MMA kabalalong hanong ba Guwahati jong ke Jala Assam bala pelong the Warriors Fighting Championship WFC Seasons 2 kirang ikura kibalayo khur ya kitak maksiar ki kentup yo Kishan Baraya u 5-star Baraya uju paju nong tudu Obadaya Khelpung u Abiang Langstang Frederick Khongset Shan Lang Khongset Donbok Nongrum Mewan ai bok Kharbuli bat urayan nongrum kat ba arngot kirang ikura kibala yokhur yakata kamarupa kilang Rachel Star Dhar bat u Gregory yakani kunhu nyukura na kajala Meghalaya layalam the head coach uba Sambor Mi Lingdo bat uba Ferdinand Suchang
Him nong kisah tu.
Beautiful crowd. Jajai. Itu.
It was good fight.
Good fight, Jitul. What was his name?